Hello, today I'm going to teach you how to emboss and recess lettering. So I'm going to use Onshape here. This is a free subscription. I'm going to go to Create Document. And now I'm going to grab this, move it over, and grab my WCS, move it over also. So what I want to do is I want to create just a square or rectangle on this top view right here. So I'm going to go with Sketch on the top view right here. And then we're going to click top right here. Now we can drop in a rectangle. So let's go over here to corner rectangle, click on that, and then we'll just kind of build a rectangle. So it's going to be about 100 by 60. There we go. All right, we can hover over this guy. We can type in 100, enter, and right over here, if we hover over that, 60, enter. If you don't get that, you can always add that dimension by clicking those two lines and add in like that. So Control Z to undo that. All right, so that's our starting right there. Finish that right there. We're going to take this and we're going to extrude this. I'm going to hide these. So clicking on them, hitting Y, or I can go over here and click my little eyeball. Okay, so now it's my top view right there. And now I want to extrude sketch right here. So I'm going to click on that. I'm going to go with 10 millimeters. Okay, solid new 10 millimeters. Finish that. All right, so next we're going to put a sketch onto this surface right here. So we're going to sketch onto there. We're going to go over here to our text, and we're going to click, hold, and drag our text box. Okay, I'm going to right click and I'm going to delete that. Right click, paste, and I'm going to put this one recessed. Okay, enter. Actually, not enter. We can hit the green check to confirm that. Notice it's a little big. We can fix that right now. Let's go for D for dimension, or this guy right here. And we'll click on that, click on this, and we'll change the size to 15. Okay, notice that resized it. We can grab this little ball right here, click, hold, drag. It's not dragging because we're still in the dimension. Let's uncheck that. Now, nothing's selected up here, so we can now click, hold, and drag that. Okay, let's click top. We're checking to see if this is, centered. Just to eyeball it. We don't have to be perfect. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish this guy right here. Okay, next, I'm going to click one more, and I'm going to create embossed. So go to sketch again. And there's a reason I'm doing two sketches. Click on this face again. I'll describe it in a second. So now we'll click on top and we'll click our box here. Backspace, Control V to paste that, and embossed. And we're just going to remove that right there. So green check. There we go. See how big that is? D for dimension. We'll fix that. Click here, click there, and then 15. All right, it resized it. Top. Uncheck that guy. And let's go over here, grab that, pull it in, and it's a little bit goofy. We're fixing. All right, looks pretty good there. All right, now we can finish that sketch. So now, like I said, the reason that I want to do these separately is because we're going to recess all of these at the same time and emboss all of these at the same time. Let's hide this real quick. Hit Y. Okay. So recess. We're going to take this, extrude. We're going to grab sketch 1. And we're going to extrude that 2 millimeters. So recess means remove. So we're going to remove 2 millimeters into this body right here. So we want to see solid, remove 2 millimeters, part 1. Okay. Notice that's recessed. Awesome. All right, let's go with extrude this guy, or we'll go over here to our sketch 3 and grab all those at the same time. Then we're going to go with 2 millimeters, and we are adding this time. We're not removing. So we're going to do a solid, add 2 millimeters, and add it to part 1. Finish that, and there we are. So that's how you do your recessed and embossed lettering, and then change the size of everything. You can add your own custom words to your projects and your parts. So thanks for watching. Bye.